Okay, and this x-axis is the cumulative gas production and the normalized gas rate cumulative production. Okay, so if you untick the FMB, the line is only, or the axis is only cumulative gas production. Okay, so basically P over Z is plotted P over Z against cumulative gas production, but for the flowing material balance, the y-axis is gas normalized rate and the x-axis is normalized gas cumulative production. To help you, you can use these tools to select data points for best fitting, and then you can change it manually like this. Okay. Initially, I actually want to start from 0, but actually I can maybe close this one. Are you sure you want to delete the worksheet FMB gas? Yes. Okay, because more or less I've just shown you how to do FMB analysis and P over Z analysis. Okay, or the RTA, the rate transient analysis using this FMB option. By the way, you can generate this result or generate this calculation, this analysis by clicking this button, new worksheet. And here you can select the calculation based on the license. Here I only have active license network for Harmony Reservoir, but you can also have forecast and optimize. I have this one, vertical, gas. You can have type curve, radial, Agarwal-Gardner, water drive, Agarwal-Gardner, blessing game, NPI, analytic or numerical. You can also have oil for analysis, water, multi-phase numerical. In this case, we select FMB. Okay, and you can do the same thing that I have shown you. You can untick everything first. You can start with static pressure data. Okay, and then you can change like this. Okay, without knowing the flowing P over Z yet. Okay, and then flowing P over Z. Okay. You can change that like this one. You can click the left button and hold. Or you can also use this tool. Maybe we will select points like this. Okay. All right. So I just click for 3 times and then the gradient will be calculated. I click this one again. I click this one. So now it's better, but I can move manually to make a further estimation. All right. So using this information, I arrive at this OGIP 43,922, or I can move a little bit. Okay, something like this. And then again, I can plot the FMB. Okay, automatically plotted like this by this software and arrive at the same conclusion. Of course, you can change it a little bit carefully because they are all connected. Okay, due to the pseudo time. And lastly, you can plot the productivity index to give confirmation that yes, productivity index is constant so that the conclusion can be acceptable. Okay, the conclusion is confirmed that this 44,000 is a good prediction, is a good estimation of the original gas in place. Okay, so it's quite easy and it's quite interesting. It's very, very helpful that we can do RTA or rate transient analysis, flowing material balance, P/O4G analysis, productivity index plotting using Harmony software. Okay. And in the next video, hopefully we can talk about this. Let me show you this analysis, blessing game type curve analysis. Right, so that's all. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope this video is useful. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next Harmonies videos. Thank you.